Hello there. Welcome to another Star Wars figure unboxing. Today we've got a multi-pack from Star Wars The Last Jedi. This is the Battle on Crait pack. These figures were compatible with the Force Link system where you wear it on your wrist and it has different lines from the movie for the characters, similar to the Comtech technology from Star Wars Episode 1. Except this time the voice piece is embedded in the figure, not a separate chip. This pack comes with Rey, Rose, a First Order Gunner, and a First Order Walker Driver. I believe all the figures except for Rey are exclusive to this multi-pack. I believe that the Rey used here was in a pack with one of the Praetorian Guards. So first up, we've got the First Order Walker Gunner. I think this is just a simple paint variation of another First Order. The helmet looks kind of like, I can't remember if that's the Flame Troopers or their Snow Troopers. His blaster unpacked real quick. Get him posed with that. Next up, we've got Rose. Rose comes with a blaster and removable poncho, it looks like. So I'm not sure if you just pop her head off to get the poncho off, but the back of the packaging does show her without the poncho. Again, 5-point of articulation style figure. The headpiece does have her hair pretty well detailed. We'll give her her blaster here. Then we've got our First Order Gunner, which is similar to the Death Star Gunner. They kind of just went a little more overboard on the helmet here. Not really sure what's going on. Looks like he's got a little scoop on the front and then it goes down in the back. So obviously he wouldn't want to get caught in a rainstorm or anything. Go right into his helmet. Interesting figure. Not too sure what sound effects they would really give for him, or if it's just basic trooper type lines from the movies. But overall, kind of a cool looking character, and again, only made in this pack. And last but not least, we have Rey. As always, seems like she comes with her staff. There is a lightsaber and then her signature blaster. Rey's overall aesthetic didn't really change too much between the movies. Kind of went from a tan cloak to a gray cloak and then a white cloak. From 7 to 8 to 9. So we've got the blaster and lightsaber here for her. So overall a cool set. Again, not bad on the repacks. Always cool to get different troopers. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and may the Force be with you.